Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 365 2T21 Modules 1-3 SAM Capstone Project 1A assignment. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Setup and formatting. Save the file with the new name and verify your name in cell B6. Unfreeze the first column, use now in J1 and format it as short date. Step 2. Title and billing rate formatting. Format the title in B2 with dark red, accent 6, lighter 40% shading, white font, merge B2 and autofit row 2. Italicize I2 and apply currency format to J2.
Step 3. Text and header formatting. Merge A4, rotate text up, align, center, and resize column A to 4 o'clock. Change description to service description. Apply accent 6 to B4 and autofit column D. Step 4. Dollar amounts and estimates. Enter AD5, J2, and E5, fill down to E13, and format with comma, no decimals. Enter AD5, E5, and G5, fill down to G13, and format with comma, no decimals. Step 5. Percentage and totals. Enter AG5, F5, and H5, fill down to H14, formula only. Enter XUM D5, D13. In D14, fill right to G14 and apply accounting format, no decimals. Step 6. Conditional formatting and consultant data. Apply light red, fill with dark red text to H5 for values, 1%. Copy B2 from consultant's worksheet and paste in J3 of project status. Step 7. Consultant roles and summary. Enter ADF M54 lead, associate. In N5, fill down to N13 and autofit column N. Use average M5 M13 in D16.
Step 8. Chart dates and final steps. Change chart to clustered bar, title to actual project hours, add axis title hours, and center data labels. Rename schedule to project schedule, and enter starting dates using simple addition-subtraction formulas. Copy date formulas to the rest of the schedule, find earliest MIN C6G9 and latest MAX C6G9 dates in C11 and C12. Save, close, and submit as instructed.
If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268 or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.